Hey there folks, today we're going to take a quick look at the Dropbox application for your iPad and also talk a little bit about the web interface and how it works with your computers at home. Dropbox is a pretty cool app because it lets you access documents that you've uploaded to the Dropbox cloud-based storage, and you can get to those documents then on a lot of different devices. It can be on your laptop, it can be on a desktop computer, it can be on a mobile device, and we're going to talk about how to get those accounts set up. So the first thing is to find the Dropbox icon on your iPad, and you're going to want to go in and create an account. And it's pretty simple. You're just going to add your name and your email and a password, and that will get you started. If you already have a Dropbox account, or if you've just created one, you'll need to log in then using the credentials that you've just created. So I've gone ahead there and entered my information. I'm going to click log in. And what you'll see happening here is it's going to, the first time that I use Dropbox, give me a quick little tutorial that explains that Dropbox kind of makes your documents available on all the different devices that you use, and you can take a look at that information. There's also a nice video here that you can look at on the Dropbox site. And you'll notice up here I have a login as well that I can go ahead and enter that information and get logged in on the web interface. All of these different documents that are in here, folders, files, it doesn't matter if it's a photo, a PDF file, a Word document, all of those different files are accessible now from Dropbox. The nice thing is that any changes that I make to a document from the iPad will show up then on the web interface as well, and also will show up in the folder that I have saved here with a Dropbox folder on my desktop. So I have kind of three different places where I'm accessing those documents. I'm going to just show you an example of what can happen. I'm going to open up a Word document here on my computer, and we'll just pretend that we're starting a document. We'll call this the start document, and I'll try to spell properly. And I'm going to save this. When I go to save, it's going to ask me to save it to some kind of file, and you'll notice on the computer, because I've linked my Dropbox account to my laptop here, I have a folder for Dropbox. So I'm just going to open that up. I could create a folder here. I'm going to call it iPad Demo. And I'm going to save the start document into that. Down here on the toolbar, my Dropbox shows a little syncing icon, and on the actual Dropbox here on the iPad, that folder is going to show up. It's going to probably need to sync. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to close the application and then reopen it, and we'll go down and find that folder on here. Here it is, iPad Demo, and here is the document, and it's opening up here. Now Dropbox is not a word processing program. It's not for creating PowerPoint presentations, but the Dropbox folder can be, your Dropbox folders can be accessed from other applications. For instance, Quick Office HD is an app that will access it. The Paperport Notes app will also allow you to access files that are in your Dropbox. It's sort of a dumping ground for all of the different files that you have so that you can get to them on your iPad, and then other apps let you link your Dropbox account to that. I'll just give you an example of that. I'm going to open up Paperport Notes. And I'm going to click Insert here, and you'll see that in the choices I've got File from Dropbox. So now this same menu of choices, all the different folders, all the different documents that I have are available. I can go to that iPad Demo. I can open up the document. Actually, it looks like Paperport Notes doesn't let you open up the Word documents if they're in that docx form, but if it was a PDF file, I could open that up. And then I could make edits to that, and then those changes would show up on my computer and also be available in the web interface. So that's pretty much how you would get started with Dropbox. It's just a good place if you're working on any kind of files to kind of use that as your virtual storage and then use that to connect other applications on your iPad to those documents so that you can access them quickly.